It's Haritha, and I'm here to introduce a new feature in Bal Persist which came along with Ballerina Swan Lake Update 9. So, as we all know, Bal Persist works really well when you are just starting your project. However, up until now, there was no easy way to integrate Bal Persist with existing databases. So, the database introspection feature does just that. The new Bal Persist pull command will introspect the database and generate the data model for you. So you don't have to write the data model manually. So let's see it in action. In my left window, there's a ballerina project which was newly created, and also in my right window, there's a database with the tables appointment, doctor, and patients. As you can see, these table names and even some of these column names are not consistent with a specific naming convention. And also these columns have very different data types to each other. And that is perfectly fine with Bal Persist. So let's pull up a terminal and type the Bal Persist pull command, and with it you have to give the database credentials as well. And when you give the database credentials and hit enter, it will prompt you for the database password. So you can enter that, and then it will say introspection complete, the model.bal file created successfully. And when you navigate the project folders, you will see a new folder called persist, and in there's the model.bal file. And as you can see, all of these non-conforming names are automatically converted to conforming names, and also these different types are also converted to appropriate types through the use of annotations, and everything has been handled for you. So even enums are also identified in the database. And now you can just generate the client API and use Bal Persist as usual with this existing database. And if you change database schema again, you can just Bal Persist pull again and then generate the client API. So let me demonstrate you that. So let me go to the appointment table, and yeah, let's modify the appointment table. Let's make this reason varchar 30 string to accept let's say varchar up to 50 characters, and then I just press OK, and yeah, let's just pull it again. Right, now it will give you a warning since a model.bal file, a data model, already exists in the project. It will ask you whether it's okay to replace that. So you can just say yes or no, and if you say yes, then it will replace that, and you can see that this reason has been updated with the appropriate length of the varchar column. So that's about Bal Persist introspection. Thank you very much.